Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send files from Android device to iPhone 17. To do it, you can do various methods, but I'm gonna show you some different ones. Now it's important that you know what type of what brand of Android device you have. So if you have a Samsung phone, it's gonna work really great, because if you're sending from Samsung, then you can just go to the app that you'd like to send from. I actually have a Realme phone. This is a Realme phone, so this won't be available most likely, but on Samsung it will be, so I'll show you where to find it, because I think I don't have a Samsung with me currently. But yeah, let's try, for example, this photo. And it works on Samsung in photos and files and everything, basically. But if it doesn't, then you can follow the third method that I'm gonna show you later. Now, on Samsung, if you click on share, then quick share, you'll have an option to use QR code. You can see I also have it on Realme, but using a QR code won't work in my case, because this QR code will only work on Android phones if you have something else than Samsung. And if you have a Samsung, then using this QR code will result, even if you use it on iPhone, will result in opening a website from which you can download the file that you'd like to download. But I'm gonna use the QR code, and you'll see that okay, never mind. Okay, when I scan this code with my camera app by scanning it and clicking on this orange button at the bottom, you'll see that it just doesn't work, and it won't work, and there's no way of it working. So yeah, but on Samsung it'll just open a website from which you can download files. Now on this exact phone, on this certain phone, this is the Realme, on the brand Realme, or OPPO, or OnePlus, or Vivo, or POCO. I'm not really sure which ones do that, but those type of brands, like the ones that are like similar to Xiaomi, let's say, when you click on share, they have an option to share with iPhone, and that lets you download. Let's go to App Store on iPhone. And that lets you download an app called OPPO Connect. When you download it on the iPhone and open it, you need to agree, of course, go through that, click on get started, allow Bluetooth devices, allow everything here and there, and then you'll see your iPhone on the list here. You can click on it. Now accept on your iPhone, allow access to your photo library, and allow for local devices. I'll need to also go to settings. It tells me I need to enable the location services, so let's go to settings, and let's go to, if it tells you that, also go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to location services and enable it. Now let's try again. Let's accept it. Allow while using the app. Join. It'll join the own Wi-Fi network created by the phone. And it'll just send the photo. It not always works. I found it to not work always. So if it doesn't work as well, follow the last step of the video, which is going to be the third step. Also, I can mention the fact that there may be... Oh yeah, okay, we have it already. If I view it in the photos, well, I don't review it. Okay, yeah, it's here. Yes. Also, I need to mention there are apps that you can download on both devices to transfer files, but it's not always working. These apps, they often contain ads, stuff like that. So not really a fan of these. And I'm gonna show you the favorite method, which works everywhere on any device. It can even work on your smart fridge that has a browser. Your device needs to have a browser. So let's go to browsers on both devices and let's search for the same thing, which is gonna be PairDrop. Okay, we already have PairDrop here. Let's go here. This is PairDrop.net. Yeah, and we have it. And I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so each other device is visible, right? You can see on Android it says you're known as Fuchsia Fred. So on iPhone I can see a device called Fuchsia Fred. And now if I want to send to my iPhone, okay, it has disappeared. Let's try refreshing. How do I refresh here? Okay, it's not working properly right now. Okay, let's try sending. If they don't show up, I'm gonna show you a method to fix it. And also, if you're on different networks, they won't show up. So I'm gonna just show you a method to do it with being on different networks. So now we can select whether we want to open camera, open video camera, or just select from photos and videos in the gallery. I'm gonna select a photo or video in the gallery, and after selecting this, I actually have an option to, instead of going to photos, I can just go to documents, for example, or downloads, and share a downloaded file. Then accept it on the iPhone. It's transferring. I'm just gonna click on this, but you don't really need to do that. Let's close it. Okay, I think I didn't click on download. I accepted it, but I didn't download. I forgot I need to download afterwards. I'm gonna refresh because it's... Okay, let's try again. Let's go to downloads. Let's go to this app gallery, for example, because it's a small file. Okay, it didn't send, so I'm gonna try fixing it. On one phone, stay in the website. On the other one, you can either leave the website or stay on it and click here on I'm gonna click here on both devices. I just wanted to show you can scan a QR code, but let's just enter the code from one another. Just like that. Now they are paired. Let's try sending it this time. Let's do it like that. Let's try sending a different file. Let's accept it. It's gonna start transferring. It's gonna take a while. So maybe instead of that, I'll actually select a different file because I don't want to wait. Let's go to images, for example, or yeah, let's go to images here. It's not images. I doubt it's images. Let's go to resend then, and let's select this photo. Yeah, now I can accept it. And if it was a file, not a photo, I would need to click on download. But yeah, for the image, I have this pop-up. I can click on save image, and it's there. If I downloaded it like that through the download button, it wouldn't be saved to my gallery, but rather, if I went to files on the iPhone, to files app, it would be somewhere here. Let's go to, I guess like iCloud Drive, downloads, and the newest, well, let's go to downloads here then. Yeah, it's there, it's in downloads, right? So I don't really understand why it doesn't show up in the Files app. I'm gonna close it, reopen it, and we'll see. For some reason it's not showing up, but it should. So let's maybe try clicking here, and then I'm gonna click here, okay, and let's save it to files. Okay, maybe it's in the Safari folder. Makes sense, I guess. I'm gonna save it on my iPhone, and now you can see it's in the on my iPhone location. I could also just do whatever else with it. If I go to iCloud Drive, then I'm just gonna check if it's in Safari. No, there's no Safari. Okay, never mind. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.